It'll burn the crap out of you.
Especially the glue if it like oozes on your That would not be fun.
Oh, there goes that super good.
What game would you play for Xbox?
I don't, really?
I'm obsessed with Call of Duty Black Ops 2. That Need for Speed Most Wanted.
So our short course is race 14.
How long does that take?
Now
Put it
it's
up here. Let me see. How long do you think that took? 5 minutes?
Not even that. Maybe 5 minutes.
Just heat it up and do that.
Super glue releases.
Can't take the heat.
Nope, it'll release and then you
Videotape him?
Huh?
Looks like he's videotaping.
But the thing you don't want to heat down inside that wheel though. You want to keep it on that rim and on the tire. Because if not, it'll start trying to melt them little ribs on the inside.
Need a little heat shield.
How hot's that thing getting? Hot enough for them gloves, huh?
1500 watt.
Give 10 billion.
You'll blister your thumb if you don't have some sort of glove on.
Give 10 billion. Figure it out.
Just have some
Probably wouldn't
dummy
even
grip.
go that high. And I brought my car over there to have Chuck measure my motor, how hot it was. He was like, also, your forehead is 92.8 degrees. He has less than 4. That was 80.